Curves drawn with a precision tool or the pen tool can be edited after they are sketched. All curves created by these tools are what are known as Nurbs curves. This means they are mathematically calculated curves that exist between a set of points. We call these points control points. Try drawing a curve that looks like this. Now tap on it once to enter into edit mode. You can also double tap to select it and then tap Edit in the side menu. Once in edit mode, you will notice control points along the curve. You'll also notice these points have different colors. Green points represent the end points. A white point is a standard control point. A solid blue point indicates a connection, where two curves have been connected. And if you tap on any point, you will notice it will turn yellow and show you controls to move it. We will cover how to edit curves in the next video. Between the points, you will notice dashed lines. These are the hull of the curve and basically show the rough, straight geometry between the control points.